How to use WhatsApp web on Chrome. So basically, if you would like to use the WhatsApp web version on Chrome, it doesn't work as a primary device. Whenever you're using a computer, you have to link it as a secondary device, which means for this, your WhatsApp account must already be logged in on a mobile device or other devices. Once you've done that, open a Chrome or whichever browser it is and go to web.whatsapp.com, which is the official version. Now you can also choose to download the WhatsApp app for Windows like I have done here. Now, one way that you can link is by simply scanning this QR code from your WhatsApp app on your phone. But so for that, you can go to settings and go to gear icon and go to link device and click on link. But instead, if that is a bit of a hassle for you, you can also go to this link with phone number option here. And all you have to do here is to simply enter the phone number of your WhatsApp account right here. Once you've entered that, click on the next option. It will ask you to verify the QR code that will be sent to your WhatsApp on your mobile. Once you've verified that particular code, then your account will be linked on your Chrome on your WhatsApp. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.